What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Good Earth Water Gardens. Today we are starting a Pondless Waterfall, brand new construction. Always love that. We're gonna have granite boulders for this, lights, the whole shebang, everything that we normally put on our Pondless Waterfalls, and we're gonna be building up this area basically right here behind me. Go ahead and jump into things here and see what we can get done today. This wraps up another day in paradise here, eh? Have our first, 5-6 feet or so of the stream done. So we'll be back with more materials tomorrow, and we'll have this thing up and running before we head on out to Thanksgiving. Day 2. It's also the day before Thanksgiving. So let's see if we can get this thing wrapped up, at least up and running, if not pretty well completed before we get on out of here today. Wrapping it up and getting on out of here for the evening. Not quite finished, but we have the waterfall up and running, so that's always a good thing. It is day 3. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing all wrapped up. We've got a little bit of ways to go with setting some rocks. We are extending our dry creek all the way down to the end of the sidewalk here. Get our dirt graded out, get this thing all wrapped up. We'll show you some final shots when we're all cleaned up and getting ready to get on out of here. Alrighty, we are all finished up, cleaned up, getting ready to roll on out of here. Love the way this thing turned out. It is a good fit for the area that we're working in here. Flip you around, show you what we came up with here. You guys can tell me what you think about it in the comments down below.